In this video, we will see that how to find the mean or average of a set of numbers. So this is a very straightforward process and very easy process. So the step one is to collect the data. So gather all the numbers, like if you have the sum of the numbers and you want to find the mean of the numbers, so you need to collect all the numbers and then we will find the mean. So these numbers can represent variety of data such as test scores, temperatures or measurements. So it can anything. Okay, so the step 2 is count the total number of values. Okay, total number of values, like count how many values you have in your data set. This will be denoted as n. And step 3, which is add up all the values, so sum of all the numbers in your data set. So this is the step 3, which is most important. So means all of the steps are very important. So the third step, which is sum all the numbers in your data set. So this is done by adding each value together. So if we will see example in the future, like in the step 6 or something. Okay, so add up all the values, and then step 4, which is calculating the mean, which is to find the mean we will divide the sum of all the values by the total number of values n. Okay, so this is a very simple thing. Like we have the very different type of numbers, so we will sum of all the values, we will take sum of all the values in the upper side like this, and we will divide it by the number of the values, which is n, which is total number of values n. Okay, we will see the example. Okay, so this way we can summarize the data, and it provides a central measure that summarize the data. Okay, let's suppose we have an example like 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. Okay, collect the data, which is very simple, obviously. Okay, now count the total number of values, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n is equal to simply 5. Okay, now add up all the values like 10, 15, 20, 25 plus 30, which is too easy for us, which is count, which is 100. Okay, now calculating the mean is like sum, which is in the upper side, which is 100, and the total number of numbers, which is 5. So the 100 divided by 5, which is simply 20. So interpret the results like the mean of the data set is simply 20. So we can say this mean, or this is the average value, means this is represent the average value of the numbers. Okay, so that is the way that we can find the value of mean of any number set or any given numbers that we have. So it is very a common formula, like sum divided by n. We already discussed what are these are the terms. So this is a very easy thing that we can learn about this topic, like finding the mean or average of a set numbers. So thank you guys for watching this video, and if you find this video helpful, hopefully you subscribe this channel for more this type of amazing videos. And if you wanna any paid assignment of your study, so you can contact us on a given number which is shown below. So thank you guys for watching this video.